Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Witchfire game crashing on your PC. I will show you guys the different and effective solution that fix your problem definitely. So first right click on your taskbar, you will see the task manager, simply open it. And guys here you just need to close all the background application. Now you will see the memory or the CPU on the top. Now if these are about the 90% then this means this is the data symbol, and on the top you will see the background apps that are consuming the most of your RAM or the CPU. So make a right click on all of these, then just click on the end task, then just go to the startup apps on the top, and guys here just disable all the background application, because when you start your PC these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So just disable all of these. Now the next setting is the privacy setting. So go to the Windows side, type in the privacy settings and simply open it. Now here on the left hand side just scroll down, you will see the background app, just click on that and make sure that this option is off on your PC. Now these applications consume the most of the RAM or CPU on your PC and causing your game crash. Now the next setting is the system configurations. So go to the Windows side, type it and open it. Now here you will see the boot on the top, just click on that, then just click on the advanced option and then just check this box of the number of processors and just select here the maximum number of processors you have. If you have the 4, 8, 16 any value, then just select it. This will increase your game performance. Then just go to the services on the top, then just check this box of the hide all master services, then just disable all of these, because these are the useless services that are causing your game crash. So you just need to disable all of these. As you can see, I already disabled this. Then just click on apply, then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes. So once you restart your PC, simply launch the game and your any kind of crashing problem will be fixed with this game. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and bye bye and take care.